Ancient Egypt, a land of pharaohs and pyramids, bore witness to an extraordinary reign. This was a time when the sands of the desert whispered tales of gods and kings, and the Nile River carried the lifeblood of a civilization that would leave an indelible mark on history. Hatshepsut, daughter of Thutmose I, ascended to become the second confirmed female pharaoh. Her journey to the throne was not just a matter of inheritance, but a testament to her intelligence, ambition, and political acumen. Her rise to power was unconventional, breaking the norms of a male-dominated society. She was the principal wife of Thutmose II, her half-brother. Their union was both a political alliance and a consolidation of power within the royal family. When he died, her young stepson, Thutmose III, was heir. However, he was too young to rule, and the kingdom needed a strong leader. Hatshepsut initially acted as regent, governing on his behalf. She managed the affairs of the state with wisdom and foresight, ensuring stability during a potentially tumultuous period. However, she took a bold step that would change the course of history. She claimed the full title of pharaoh for herself, a move that was both audacious and unprecedented. Hatshepsut's decision to rule as king was a significant departure from tradition. She was not content to merely be a placeholder. She sought to be recognized as a legitimate and powerful ruler in her own right. Egyptian society was patriarchal, with men holding primary power. The idea of a female pharaoh was almost unthinkable. Yet, Hatshepsut navigated the complexities of court politics and challenged societal norms. She was a master strategist, using her wit and resources to secure her position. She adopted the regalia of kingship, including the pharaoh's headdress and a false beard. These symbols were not mere ornaments but powerful tools of propaganda. In doing so, she presented herself as a powerful and legitimate ruler, one who was chosen by the gods to lead Egypt. Hatshepsut's reign marked a pivotal moment in Egyptian history. Her leadership brought about a period of peace, prosperity, and monumental architectural achievements. Hatshepsut's claim to the throne was not unfounded. She skillfully emphasized her royal lineage, connecting herself to her father, Thutmose I, and thereby reinforcing her right to rule. She used propaganda to legitimize her rule, portraying herself as chosen by the gods. This divine endorsement was crucial in a society where religion and governance were deeply intertwined. Her reign, though unconventional, was a period of peace and prosperity. She initiated ambitious building projects, including her famous mortuary temple at Deir el-Bahari, which stands as a testament to her architectural vision and legacy. Hatshepsut's story is a testament to her ambition, resilience, and ability to defy societal expectations. She proved that leadership was not confined to gender but to the strength of character and vision. She remains a captivating figure, her name echoing through the halls of history. Her legacy continues to inspire and intrigue scholars and enthusiasts alike, reminding us of the power of determination and the impact of visionary leadership. Hatshepsut's reign is a remarkable chapter in the annals of ancient Egypt, a story of a woman who dared to break the mold and carve her own path in a world dominated by men. Hatshepsut's reign was not marked by military conquest like many of her predecessors. Instead, she chose a different path, one that emphasized peace and stability over warfare and expansion. Instead, she ushered in an era of peace and prosperity. Her reign is often seen as a golden age, where the focus was on internal development and the well-being of her people. She focused on restoring order and balance, embodying the concept of Ma'at, a fundamental principle in Egyptian culture. Ma'at was more than just a goddess. She represented the very essence of truth, justice, and cosmic harmony. Ma'at represented truth, justice, harmony, and cosmic order. Hatshepsut's dedication to these principles was evident in her policies and governance. Hatshepsut's commitment to Ma'at resonated throughout her reign. She was deeply involved in religious activities, often depicted making offerings to the gods, which reinforced her divine right to rule. One of Hatshepsut's most notable accomplishments was her ambitious building program. She commissioned numerous temples, monuments, and obelisks throughout Egypt, leaving a lasting architectural legacy. She commissioned numerous temples, monuments, and obelisks throughout Egypt. These structures were not only religious centers, but also symbols of her power and legitimacy as a ruler. These architectural marvels served not only as expressions of her piety, but also as symbols of her power and legitimacy. They showcased the wealth and artistic prowess of her reign. The construction projects also provided employment for countless workers, stimulating the economy. This not only improved the livelihoods of her subjects, but also strengthened the overall stability of the kingdom. Hatshepsut recognized the importance of trade and diplomacy. She understood that a prosperous nation needed strong economic ties with its neighbors. She reopened trade routes that had been disrupted during the Second Intermediate Period. This strategic move revitalized commerce and brought in a wealth of resources. This led to renewed economic activity and cultural exchange. The influx of goods and ideas from distant lands enriched Egyptian society. Her most famous expedition was to the land of Punt, a region believed to be located in present-day Somalia or Yemen. This journey was a testament to her far-reaching vision and ambition. This expedition brought back exotic goods, including incense, ebony, and live myrrh trees. These treasures were highly valued and added to the wealth and splendor of her reign. Hatshepsut's reign was a time of great prosperity and cultural flourishing. Her policies and projects laid the foundation for a stable and thriving Egypt. She proved to be a wise and capable ruler, leaving an indelible mark on ancient Egypt. Her leadership style was both innovative and effective, ensuring her legacy would endure. Her legacy, though later targeted for erasure, shines through the sands of time. Despite attempts to remove her from history, her achievements and contributions remain undeniable. Her story continues to inspire awe and admiration. Hatshepsut's reign is a testament to the enduring power of visionary leadership and the lasting impact of a ruler dedicated to the prosperity of her people. Among Hatshepsut's many building projects, her mortuary temple at Deir el-Bahari stands as her most enduring legacy. This grand structure, nestled in the cliffs of the Theban necropolis, is a testament to her vision and ambition. Carved into the cliffs of the Theban necropolis, the temple is an architectural marvel. Its construction required immense skill and precision, showcasing the advanced engineering capabilities of ancient Egypt. Its elegant colonnades, terraces, and reliefs are a testament to the skill and artistry of ancient Egyptian builders. The intricate designs and detailed carvings reflect the high level of craftsmanship that went into its creation. The temple's design seamlessly blends with the natural landscape, creating a sense of harmony and grandeur. This integration with the environment was intentional, symbolizing the connection between the pharaoh and the divine. The Deir el-Bahari temple served as a mortuary temple for Hatshepsut and a temple dedicated to the god Amun-Re. This dual purpose highlights the religious and political significance of the structure. The temple's reliefs depict key events from Hatshepsut's reign, including her divine birth, her coronation, and her expedition to the land of Punt. These narratives were meant to legitimize her rule and celebrate her achievements. These reliefs provide valuable insights into the life and times of this remarkable pharaoh. They offer a glimpse into the political and religious landscape of ancient Egypt during her reign. The temple's location on the west bank of the Nile was significant. In Egyptian mythology, the West Bank was associated with the land of the dead, making it a fitting place for a mortuary temple. The West Bank was associated with the underworld in Egyptian mythology. By situating her temple here, Hatshepsut aligned herself with the gods of the afterlife, reinforcing her divine status. By building her mortuary temple there, Hatshepsut aligned herself with the gods of the afterlife. This strategic placement was a powerful statement of her eternal legacy. The temple's grandeur served to solidify her legacy and emphasize her power. Its imposing architecture was a clear message of her authority and influence. Today, the Deir el-Bahari temple stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is recognized for its historical and cultural significance, preserving the legacy of Hatshepsut for future generations. It is a popular destination for tourists and a source of ongoing research for archaeologists and historians. The temple continues to reveal new insights into ancient Egyptian civilization. The temple serves as a reminder of Hatshepsut's architectural prowess and her enduring impact on Egyptian history and culture. Her vision and legacy continue to inspire awe and admiration to this day.